A square.
Greetings people, welcome back to the channel, hope you're doing well. As you see behind me, a lot of exciting stuff going on right now. I'm super excited, I can't even feel my fingers of the excitement. I'm building a gaming system today, it's going to be awesome. And I picked out the parts, and not all the parts came right away, so I'll have to wait several weeks actually for some of the parts. So you have probably seen some of these components in the background in some videos. I'm not gonna ramble that much about the products because you already know what the products are and how good they are at performing in games, I should say. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour on the products and then we're gonna get started building. Today we're gonna build first gaming PC. I want to say mega build, but it's not a mega build, but the first really expensive build. Alright, here we go. So guys, here we are, the products. Oh my god. I'm so nervous right now because I just want to, I want to touch them. I want to touch them, start building. Anyway, so we're going to start off with the motherboard. It's from Asus ROG Maximus X Hero. First time ever I think I bought this, a motherboard that is expensive as this, so this is going to be really nice to just feel it and building on it, and it looks incredible by the way. So I already peeked, I couldn't hold myself, I wanted to peek. So that's the motherboard, super excited about that. And the cooler, actually first time also using this from Deepcool Captain 360EX, white with RGB, of course, what else? We need RGB, everybody needs some RGB. Otherwise, it's not that fun building computers. So that's gonna be our CPU cooler, excited about that one, to see how the build goes and how it performs. And we got two parts. First time ever I'm spending this much money on RAM. I know you guys probably spend a lot of money on RAMs. You go like, why? That's not a big deal. I mean, that's not expensive. But if you pay with your own money, my friends, it is incredibly expensive. But I would love to see how this will perform in this gaming system. I'm gonna also benchmark the whole system and see how big of a difference it is between my current PC that I have behind me. And also for the storage, of course we're gonna go with the M.2 drive from Samsung, the 960 EVO, 250 gigabytes. I'm in love with this product. I love this product very much. You got probably a lot of better SSDs out there, but I just love this component. This is actually my favorite component, except for the graphic cards. But yeah, this is actually great. All right, and we move on to the power supply from Corsair modular CS850M. Probably overkill also, but I don't know why. I love the numbers. I love high numbers. I don't know why I pick out these. We're gonna probably go with a 750 or 700, that will be enough, but I really love this one, so I chose that. And it's also low energy use, it says, I don't know if you can read it, and quiet operation. And the one I'm actually most excited about is the CPU. It's the 8th generation Intel Core i5 8600K, unlocked of course. This would be, I think, the first or the second Intel processor that I buy, so this is going to be really interesting to see what kind of performance we'll get out of that one. And also the chassis, I'm saving the graphics card's coming up next. NZXT Noctis 450 mid tower. Never have I ever built in this. It's the first time, but I think it looks like almost looks like a transformer. I am Megatron. No, but I think this will be pretty good in this kind of build, and I love the white and black theme. I Love it. Love the black and white. So, last but not least, there it is. The graphics card. This, I actually almost went with 1070. But I was like, what am I doing? I can't have a 1070 when I'm building a really advanced gaming system. I need to have the 1080. I mean, 1080 is like almost like a religion. Everybody wants the 1080 because it's just so great. Not the TI and not the overclocked edition. It's actually the advanced edition for advanced users only. This is the card that I have in my rig behind me, and I just love this card. Perfect card. I mean, it maxes out almost any game I can, think about. So this is gonna be really nice to see how this computer will perform, and I hope that you will like it. I'm going to benchmark it soon, I guess. A lot of stuff going on, so I hope that I have the time. So guys, I'm gonna shut up and you're gonna watch the build, so enjoy the time lapse, and I hope that I see you guys in the next video. Please click on like, please subscribe to the channel, and give me a lot of comments. Alright guys, thank you, take care, bye bye.